So today we are going to see about how to push the code from local to the remote repository. So got it right. So how we are going to push the code from my local system to the remote repository. So it's a very simple thing. Let's quickly start that. So the first thing is, so I'm going to create a file, text file, let it be a text file, example. Okay, let the text file contain text of hello world, universal comment. Yeah, text. So the hello world example file. Okay, so this project, okay, actually in the previous video we had created this project, like we just cloned from the remote. So this project right now we created a file. Okay, so let's see, git status. So this make sure to remember this command, git status. Okay, so you will type this git status command 1000 or like n number of time until your death, I guess, until the git death or like our death maybe. Okay, so it is showing error. Okay, let me go into this project now. Git status, yeah, it shows few details, like it is on the branch main, the branch is up to date with this. Okay, remote, fine. And the untracked files. Okay, right now I added this file. Okay, now so it will show in the red, or like what are the colors we are customizing it. Okay, so it is saying that this is untracked file. Okay, let me we can add this. Actually, what are the steps to push the thing means, first step is I want to add the file, second thing is commit the file, third thing is push the file. That's it, 3 steps, finish. Okay, so first thing what we can do is git add example. Okay, enter. So if you saw right now means it is in the green color. Okay, so what it is means right now it is an untracked file. Okay, now then right now this is in the staging area. We will technically call this a staging area. Let me commit this one. Okay, commit means commit -m, let it be testing commit. Okay, what the first step, the git add, and the second step is git commit. Okay, right now I'm committing it. Okay, the one file changed and the one insertions happen. Okay, so until this, okay, so until this point what happening is like a, so this is, you can say as a point, and you can say this as a b point, sorry, this as a b point. Okay, so until that a to b is called as a like one section. Okay, so it's like a one key point to one key point, whatever the things it is committed means after that whatever the changes it is the like a new tracking. It's like the old track what ended until the commit, and now what you want, what the thing is, if we are doing other again new changes means it will be new tracks only. Okay, now so why I'm saying means, if you saw here means here it's a id with a branch, this is called as a commit id. Okay, so you don't want to dig more into that, we can see that on the further videos. Okay, right now what I am doing is I am pushing this. The first step is add, second step is commit, and third step is git push. Oh, very done. Yeah, so it's done. It got pushed to this repository. Let me reload this. Yeah, here if you saw, that means a file example test which is in the local. Right now I pushed, after pushed it is moved to this repository, hello world. Okay, until the what the thing is, until this only it got pushed. So this is about pushing the code from local to the remote. Okay, in the next video we can see more into that, what are the things to do and not to do. Okay, let's see on the next video. Thanks, bye bye.